Hello everyone, welcome back once again to another video on the build bench. Today we're just going to have a quick tutorial video. Basically just showing people that don't know how to use DDU or Display Driver Uninstaller. Now this is for primarily people who are usually switching from like an Nvidia GPU to an AMD GPU or vice versa, or if for some reason you just need to completely uninstall your GPU's drivers off your system. I don't know, maybe something's gone wrong, or it's the driver's corrupt for some reason or something like that. Anyway, so I will leave a link in the description to where you can download DDU, because this is by far the best thing to remove drivers from or with. So yeah, when you open it, obviously mine it's down there, but when you open it, it'll look like this, and it'll tell you like which GPU there is detected in your system, which is correct. Now over here, these drop down boxes, you basically want to drop down, tick GPU, it automatically picks AMD, but you select drop down and you can go Nvidia, AMD, Intel. You want to obviously select the one for the drivers you want to uninstall. So I would go like Nvidia, and then ideally you want to be clicking clean and restart, or technically clean and shut down if you're putting a whole new GPU in your system. I'm not going to actually click it because obviously if I set it to clean and restart, then it'll stop this recording. But yeah, I could click clean and don't restart, but I've never done it and I don't like the fact that I could have a black screen. But yeah, basically you would click clean and restart once your system's restarted. Obviously when it'll come up here telling you what it's uninstalling, and then it'll come up telling you it's done, and then the system will restart itself. It will come up when it turns back on. That means the drivers that you wanted uninstalled they'll be completely gone from your system. So if you do need to get them back for some reason, you'll have to go to obviously Nvidia's website, AMD's, Intel's if you've got an Intel GPU, so on and so forth, to get your drivers back. But yeah, so that's basically just how to use DDU, just for anyone that doesn't know. There will be obviously people out there that are new to the whole PC building scene, or something that have never uninstalled drivers or installed drivers or so on and so forth. Like I said, I'll leave a link to where you can download the program from in the description below. I did have another video planned for today. I was going to do some benchmark tests like I did on the 1050 Ti and the 1080 Ti on my RX 6800, because obviously it's a few years old now, that card. But I took the GPU out to film the intro, put the GPU back in, tried running a benchmark test on Cyberpunk, and the game kept flatlining even though I've got the drivers in the system. For some reason it turns out that the cause of it was my monitor is 144 Hz monitor, and when I reseated the GPU in the PCIe slot, my monitor for some reason changed to 59 Hz. So I will have that video up in the next couple of days. We'll also have another one up for a 6GB 1060. But yeah, for now guys, we'll leave it there. Like I said, just a quick video explaining how to use this program for anyone that doesn't know. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and I will catch you in the next video.